We all love kings, isn't it? King. Now the letter K, a very lovely letter to write, easy to write. K. One long line and one top line and again another line. K. K, letter K has got a similar sound as letter C. So both sounds K. Okay. Now small k is like this, long line, again up and down. So you write the K like this, capital, and small one, you write it like this, K. The sound of C and K sound K. Now, you all love to fly kite, isn't it? So now let's sing. Imagine. Kites are flying in the sky, k, k, k. Kites are flying in the sky, k, k, k. Kites are flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky, k, k, k. The letter K. The sound is K. Kite. Yes, very good. Next, king. Key. Kettle. Kettle. Knob. Knot. You make knot with the cord. Knob. Doorknob. The sound of the letter K is K. K. Kite, king, key, kettle, knot, knob. Letter K has got the sound K.